epic welcome to today's vlog. This is the first vlog filmed on my new phone. I haven't told that story yet, but what was it, a week and a half ago? Almost 2 weeks ago. My phone started, we'll say, blanking out on me, and since I film everything on my phone, you're gonna say hi. I had to get a new phone, so this is an upgrade, a couple years newer than what I had. The sound already is better. The picture's better.
Our car is fresh.
Our car is fresh and clean. The girls want to say hi.
Hi. We're having a school carnival today.
We're at the girls' school. They're having a school carnival today, so we decided to stop by, have a little bit of fun.
The principal said...
There's Kaylee.
Say hi, Kaylee.
Hi, Kaylee.
The principal said
You got your books?
that there was a school carnival 2 years ago, but we couldn't do that because we...
You can talk to me, you know. You don't have to talk at the camera right here. Because why? It's hot. Let's get out. You can tell me later.
Yeah!
Let's go. Do you see the playground? Hi. Now big sisters aren't in your way. There it is. Hi, Mom. Hey, where's the Kenny? Hey, say hi. Hey, bud.
Hi, bud.
You never smile for the camera. Never, ever. He is a happy baby, though.
Is that
I still think my favorite part about the girls going to school here is that I went to school here. And while, yes, there are a lot of changes, most of it's the same. Although it is supposed to be rebuilt in a few years, so we'll see what it looks like then. That'll be weird. Let's go. Yeah. You ready? Go have some fun? There's Audrey getting ready to go down. There's Audrey and Quinn. Yay! I saw you. Go, Kaylee, go! Go! There goes Kaylee. Hey, Ken, how's that taste? Look at those beautiful blue eyes.
That is fun.
Hey, Waffles. Handsome, sorry. Oh, there went Quinn. Just like that. I feel like we never did stuff this epic when I was here.
We never did stuff as epic when I was here,
I mean, you got the carnival back there. You got the train behind me. I mean, we just didn't do carnivals at all.
too. Yeah.
Lame. You guys ready? You ready, Kaylee? Okay, buckle up. There we go. He's getting busted. Yeah. He just got busted.
Like, we realize that guy has to stop because everybody's sitting there has to stop.
And you could also get severely injured. There's the girl. Oh, look at Kaylee. She's having a blast, but she's leaning all the way over, holding on for dear life. Here we go. She's like, hold on. I love Kaylee. She's got her arms all the way out like this, but she's still having fun at least. Hold on for dear life back there. Right in the middle, in the front. She's got the biggest smile on her face. There she is. Yay, Kaylee! Let me see you take a bite. What do you got? You got a blue snow cone? Is it yummy? And you got root beer. You love root beer, huh? Okay, we'll go sit down in just a sec. What do you got, Oz? What color? Is it good?
I mean, we're in a tiny little
Is yours good, Quinn?
Yeah, it's wet.
Audrey, you look so lonely. Why aren't you up with the family?
Stop it, Dad.
How's your snow cone? You make it, Kaylee? You gonna make it? Whoa! Hey, Quinn. You're supposed to come out this end, Quinn. Come all the way around, Kaylee. Sis. Now you gotta wait to go up there. Can you make it? Oh, man. Oh, my word, she actually made it. Kaylee, you did it! Slide down. Good job. High five.
Ow!
Hey, you made it! So Audrey found a friend, so we kind of, well, she really ditched us, and now Quinn and Kaylee have a friend, and they're going on everything they possibly can while we're here. And Megan's trying to feed Kenny, but he's not having any of it, so they're just hanging out on the grass. Hey, cutie.
Hi.
Did you have fun tonight?
Yeah.
Are you talking with food in your mouth? That's really gross. I love you.
I love you too.
You ready for bed?
No.
But you go to bed anyway.
I don't like bed.
Who does? I don't like bed either. Except I like relaxing.
Bah.
Gross. Did you have fun tonight, Audrey?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time at the carnival?
Yeah.
You get to play with your friends?
Is it? Yeah.
You ready for bed?
Upside down?
It was. What are you doing, cross?
Why was the camera upside down?
Let's say it quietly so that we don't wake up Kaylee. We'll see you